Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the best fuel economy hacks to help you save money at the pump. These days, it seems like gas prices are only going one direction up. And while we can't control the global oil market, there are some things we can control, like how we drive and maintain our vehicles. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, let's get into it. First up, we're talking tire pressure. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me on this one, folks. Properly inflated tires are like the unsung heroes of fuel efficiency. You see, when your tires are underinflated, it creates more rolling resistance. That means your engine has to work harder to keep you moving, guzzling down more fuel in the process. We're talking a potential fuel economy improvement of up to 3% just by keeping your tires properly inflated. That's like getting a discount every time you fill up. Now, finding the right tire pressure is super easy. You can usually find the recommended PSI, that's pounds per square inch, for those who don't speak car, on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. And hey, while you're at it, invest in a good tire pressure gauge. You can grab one at any auto parts store for a few bucks. It's a small price to pay for the kind of savings we're talking about. Next up, we're hitting the open road and talking about cruise control. Now, cruise control isn't just for long road trips, it's actually a pretty nifty fuel-saving tool, especially on the highway. Here's the deal. Maintaining a consistent speed is key to maximizing fuel efficiency. Every time you hit the gas or the brakes, you're using up more fuel than you need to. Cruise control takes the human error out of the equation. It keeps your speed nice and steady, so your engine can operate at its most efficient level. Think of it like this. Cruise control is like having a robot co-pilot who's obsessed with saving you money on gas. Now, a word of caution. Cruise control is your friend on flat, open highways, but it's not ideal for city driving or hilly terrain. In those situations, it's best to stick to good old-fashioned manual speed control. Let's face it, we all have a tendency to use our cars as mobile storage units. But here's the thing. All that extra weight is holding you back, literally. Every extra pound you carry around in your car is like adding another passenger. And as you know, more passengers mean more fuel consumption. Think about it. Your car wasn't designed to haul around your entire camping gear collection or that box of old textbooks you've been meaning to donate. So what can you do? Channel your inner minimalist and declutter your car. Go through your trunk, your back seat, even your glove compartment. Get rid of anything you don't absolutely need. You'll be surprised how much weight you can shed. Remember, every 100 pounds you remove can increase your MPG by about 1%. That's like giving your car a performance boost just by cleaning it out. Alright, this next tip might sound a little obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people neglect their car's engine. It's like forgetting to feed your pet goldfish. Regular engine maintenance is crucial for maximizing your fuel efficiency. Think of it like this. Your engine is the heart of your car, and just like your own heart, it needs regular checkups to keep it running smoothly. A well-maintained engine burns fuel more efficiently, which means you make fewer trips to the pump. So, what does regular engine maintenance entail? Well, for starters, make sure you're keeping up with your regular oil changes. Fresh oil lubricates your engine's moving parts, reducing friction and improving efficiency. Next, replace your air filter regularly. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to your engine, which forces it to work harder. And finally, get your engine tuned up according to your car's recommended maintenance schedule. A tune-up can do wonders for your fuel economy, often improving it by an average of 4%. Okay, so you've mastered the art of hypermiling and you're ready to take your fuel efficiency game to the next level. Well, it might be time to consider your next vehicle purchase. Now, I'm not saying you need to trade in your trusty steed for the latest electric car tomorrow, although that wouldn't be a bad idea. But if you're in the market for a new car, it's worth considering vehicles that are designed with fuel efficiency in mind. Hybrid cars, for example, are becoming increasingly popular. They combine a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor, which can significantly reduce your fuel consumption, especially in stop-and-go traffic. And then there are vehicles with advanced fuel-saving technologies like cylinder deactivation, which shuts off cylinders when they're not needed, and start-stop systems which automatically turn off your engine when you're idling. These technologies might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but they're becoming increasingly common in modern cars, So, when it's time to say goodbye to your current car, do your research and explore your options. You might be surprised at how much fuel and money you can save by choosing a more efficient ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to saving money on gas. By implementing these fuel economy hacks, you'll not only be putting more money back in your pocket, but you'll also be reducing your carbon footprint. See you in the next one.